Second class science, bones and muscles lesson question and answers. Bones and muscles. In previous class already we learned 3 question and answers. Today we will discuss 2 question and answers. Okay. Fourth question. What is poster? What is the fourth question? What is poster? Okay, what is poster? Answer. A poster is the position. Poster is the position in which we hold our body when we sit, stand or move. What is the posture, children? Posture is the position in which we hold our body when we sit, stand or move. Okay. Fifth question. Why is good posture important? Why is good posture important? Okay. Answer. Good posture is important because it helps to stay healthy and to look smart. What is the fifth question? Why is good posture important? Why is good posture important? Answer is good posture is important because it helps to stay healthy and to look smart. Okay, next, horse questions. Think and answer. Which game would you play to make your muscles strong? Ludo or football? Why? Okay, football, children. Why it is football? To make our muscles strong, we should play football. Our muscles are strong and not Ludo. Football is an outdoor game and it involves the use of muscles and bones. Okay, children, muscles become strong. Okay, next, second question. Rahul bends forward while studying. What could happen to his back after a while? What should he do? Rahul bent forward, children. Yes, while studying. He suffer from back pain. Don't bend and don't sit bend and don't read like that. ఇలా కూర్చొని చదవకండి వంగి, ఓకేనా? ఇట్స్ cause a pain, back pain. He may have a hunched back also. To avoid this, he should sit straight. Okay, avoid like this, avoid and sit straight posture. Okay, and the correct posture will give proper shape and correct posture give proper shape to his body. Okay, next here see children, let us do enjoy a healthy snack. Here mix chunks of fruit, boiled potatoes and cucumber, sprinkle salt over the mixer, put a cheese slice between two slices of brown bread and spread the mixer on one slice, put the other slice over it, enjoy your sandwich. Try and make the sandwich children at your home. Next, enjoy this poem. Little children skip, the rope is gaily gripping. Aman and Raman, Veena and Reena, Rahul and Sadhika, Johnny and Radhika, all are fond of skipping. Okay, little children skip, the rope is gaily gripping. Aman and Raman, Veena and Reena, Rahul and Sadhika, Johnny and Radhika, all are fond of skipping. Okay, you can practice and you can read this poem 2 times. Okay children, page number 44. Next, here see children, these are symbols of some sports. These are the some symbols of sports. Complete their names. First one, what? Hockey. It is a hockey game. What is our national game? Hockey. Yes, yes. Here see second one, third one, fourth, and second one, third one, fourth, fifth picture. You can see picture here what doing this means. We can write here. Here given some clues also. We can see and identify the game and write here. Okay. Next, here's a children life skill. Stay fit. Do these simple stretching exercise. Okay. You can do this. You can read once again this life skill and practice this exercise and do everyday exercise. Okay. Thank you.